Hello, chocolate lovers. Today, I'm going to share with you my delicious homemade chocolate cake recipe. This cake is incredibly moist, rich in flavor, and sure to please any chocolate enthusiast. First, let's gather our ingredients. 1 3/4 cups plain flour, 3/4 cup unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons baking soda, 2 cups white sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, half a cup of vegetable oil or canola oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Now that we have everything we need, let's get baking. Start by combining all the dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk and vanilla extract. Then add the eggs and oil to the mixture. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture until you achieve a smooth batter. Finally, pour 1 cup of boiling water into the batter and mix well. Pour the batter into 2 round cake pans and bake at 350 F 177C for approximately 35 minutes. Once your cakes are done baking and cooled down completely, frost them however you like. Now it's time to indulge in this irresistibly moist chocolate cake that will melt in your mouth. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe and want more delicious desserts and snacks like this one, don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty treats. Happy baking!